everyone, Gloria Walker, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without a camera in 2021. And I'm also going to share with you the most common reasons or most common fears, and also offer you some solutions that will help combat that. Now, this won't be another video just listing a bunch of ideas. I'm going to give you an actual plan of action that you can take immediately after watching this video. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you a video that has over 300 million views, and there's no one showing their face, and it took less than 30 minutes to create. So there may be a number of reasons why you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Maybe you don't like the way you look on camera. Maybe you have a fear of being judged or mocked or made fun of. Or maybe you just don't own a camera. You aren't great with technology. Or you don't like the way you sound. And believe it or not liking the way you sound actually a real thing. I believe it's called voice confrontation, where you have an idea of what you think you sound, what you believe your voice sounds to everyone else, until you actually hear it. It's sort of like the same reaction you may get if you're in a cave and you just started yelling out your name. I'm afraid of spiders! I hate you, damn! I get it. I understand it. I was in the same situation as a lot of you are that's watching this video. I've been online since 2009. I was on just about every social media platform out there. I was doing everything I could not to be in front of a camera. You know, and part of the reason why I was avoiding being in front of a camera is because, you know, I'm a military veteran. I've always had an issue with the security aspect of it, or privacy concerns. But to be really honest, I was afraid as well. So maybe 3 or 4 years ago, I actually went and got my first YouTube channel. Now, you're probably out there watching bigger channels, and they're making all these viral videos like mukbang channels, the family blogger channels, and you're probably getting discouraged all the views they're getting and all the subscribers they're getting. Okay, there are two things to keep in mind. Number one, a lot of those YouTubers have been around for a long time. Okay, and number two, being on camera is not as important as it used to be back in the day. So let me pull up some resources for you. Okay, so Vidnami is one of those ingenious strategies that you will need to make your awesome video. So the way Vidnami works is you submit your script into their software, and Vidnami spits out a video. And I've made several videos using this software, and it comes complete with music, stock video, and everything. It's really awesome. Okay, and you really don't really need your own script. You can even drop in PLR, and Vidnami will come up with your video, and it takes less than freaking 5 minutes to do this. I mean, it's amazing. You know, free music, you don't have to worry about copyright strikes or anything like that. And of course, this is not a Vidnami video, but this is how you do it. Okay, and if you don't have script, I mean, you can hire somebody in Fiverr to do your scripts for you. I mean, it's just that easy. I mean, another thing you can use, if you don't want to use Vidnami, you can use Google Slides. You can get free music off of Pixabay. Oh, and also, if you run out of ideas for music, you can also go to YouTube and get music from there too. I had mentioned a video earlier. They have 349 million views and counting. Obviously, they are making their money from ads. As you can see, it is very engaging. They have 474,000 likes. Actually, 475 likes. Over 4,000 comments. And as you can see, they just have different, it's like a slideshow. As you can see, the only thing that's changing is the font and the images in the background. So you can do that with Google Slides, right? That's nothing. Now, The funny thing about AdSense is that you need to make a whole lot of watch time and views to make money. And that's okay. If you go to their description, as you can see, they don't have any type of links. Okay, they do have a link to their blog here. They don't have any affiliate links. So if they had an affiliate link up here above the fold to maybe a product that's related to maybe garlic or something related to health, or sleeping, they can make so much more money than that. They're only relying on AdSense. So let's see if their video is on Google. If you go over to Google, okay, if you go to Google, their video is not on the front page of Google, which is where they could kill it. Okay, they actually kill it if they were on Google, but they are not. Now, now if you go to my mentor's video and you Google Webinar Jam, as you can see, he is here in the Google carousel. If you put in his video, his channel, okay, and I think he might be the only one in this carousel. Okay, he's there for one product. Let me see. Kartra reviews. He put Kartra reviews. He's in the Google carousel as well. He's here. He's here. Might be the only place he's there. He's there. And also, let's see. And Groove Pages is a fairly new product. He's also here in the Google carousel here, talking about Groove Pages. That's him there. Groove Pages pricing. Hey, that's him there as well. So just like my mentor's pause videos, we could take that garlic video and create some authority and tell Google to rank that video, and Google will create a carousel for that video so that video can start getting traffic from the first page of Google. So you don't have to rely on AdSense. You can rely on the products that resonates with you and products that you feel strongly about. So question, what have you tried? And what has failed? And if you're not making videos, why haven't you been making videos? Please comment below. And please subscribe to this channel. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.